Okay, we're going to do an eye splice in the end of our Zero traveller, so we're going to reduce the amount of bump, if there is, if you have a problem with a low tiller. So before I start, I'm going to just slice the end of the Zero traveller a little bit, just to make it a little easier to fid. Get a 5.5 push fid. It is permitted to put an eye splice in a laser traveller. So first of all, we've done the small tail through the big loop. I'm going to take the big loop and pass it through the small tail. Okay. And hopefully that'll go through without too much trouble. So there's your Brummel hitch. So two bits go together, becomes a lock, a little knot, and now for safety we'll put the big tail up inside the rope itself. We've got to find the centre of the rope to do that. So it pays to squish it up a bit. At some point, put the tail in the push fid and take the push fid back out of the Zero rope. Rooster Zero stretch traveller. Now we've got a little bit poking out the end. I should just get rid of that bit because I'm not going to go back in again with it. This rope is basically the most heat treated Dyneema you can get your hands on, so it is really hard to cut even with serrated scissors. Right, hopefully now we can milk it and disappear it. So that's the splicing bit done. Now we're going to put the traveller through our cover blocks. This rope has so little stretch, it's actually probably better to tension it first without your tiller on. Okay, this is going to be our little half hitch on our rope, so you can afford to tension it. So little stretch that it just literally hardly will cleat, and as it cleats you have enough slack to get your tiller underneath it. And that's your Zero traveller, fitted with an eye on it to make it smoother.